Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a video to your site on Squarespace without YouTube. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my Squarespace site. I'm on one of my pages and this has a embedded photo which has a link. I'm going to go ahead and delete it just to clear up my section. And now I'm going to show you guys how you can add a video without a site or without YouTube. Now, for this, we're going to be using video. We're not going to be using embed. If you go into embed, if you edit it, you can add a YouTube link, which is not what you want to do. You can add it from other video streaming services such as Twitch, Dailymotion, whatever you want. I'm not going to be doing that because we want this without YouTube. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on add a block and add a video. You can also embed videos from other pages if you want. It really doesn't matter if you use the embed block, but here I'm just going to click on this. Now we're going to align it in the middle. And I'm going to click on it, click on the edit here, and you can add a video, which is 30 minutes max. Now, I don't have a video to add, but if you click on this, you'll either upload it from a file or select from a library. You can add from link such as YouTube or Vimeo, which you don't want to do. Just click on upload file, and then custom featured image, which is going to be the thumbnail, and other video settings are available here as well if you want to play around with them. You can also add a description for your video, and in the settings, you can mute it, autoplay it, loop it, and customize the player controls if you want, and that is basically it. So again, what you need to do is you add a block and select a video. You don't want to embed code. Well, you want to embed it if you want to link from another site that's not YouTube, but adding a video is much simpler. If you have the video file, just add it like that, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.